Hey guys, welcome back. In this one, I'll explain how to convert an APK into an IPA file, or at least what's really possible. So first thing to know is you can't just directly swap one for the other. APKs are for Android, IPAS are for iOS, and the systems are built completely different. They use different operating systems, frameworks, and even the way they package apps is unique. But don't worry, there is a workaround if your app was built using something like Flutter. Here's the catch. Apple only lets you build iOS apps on a Mac with Xcode installed. So if you're on Windows, yeah, it won't work unless you use a cloud Mac service like Mac Stadium or maybe a macOS virtual machine. Next step, head over to flutter.dev, follow the install guide for macOS and make sure Flutter is set up. You'll also need to install Xcode from the App Store, open it once, and accept the license agreements. Now, open your app's project folder in an IDE like Visual Studio Code or Android Studio. Just make sure Flutter support is enabled. From there, open the terminal, navigate into your project, and run the command. Flutter build iOS. That's what actually tells Flutter to prepare an iOS version. Once Flutter finishes, you'll see an iOS folder inside your project. Open that in Xcode. In Xcode, set your build target to a generic iOS device, then go up to Product, choose Archive, and wait for it to finish. After the archive is ready, just click through the export options, and yeah, that gives you an IPA file. Now, if your APK was written in plain Android code, like Java or Kotlin, sadly, there's no real conversion. You'd have to rebuild the app for iOS from scratch. Flutter only works if the project started cross-platform, and that's basically it. You can't flip APKs into IPAS directly, but with Flutter and Xcode, you can rebuild and export your iOS app. If this helped clear things up, go ahead and like the video, subscribe if you want more tech tips, and check out the next tutorial.